Yo, what's up? So now we are in Nusa Dua area. Actually, behind us is the Coco Market supermarket, the biggest supermarket in Nusa Dua area.
And there was the restaurant belongs to the Coco Mart restaurant, Natis or something like that.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, this is only memory now because all is closed here.
Yeah, I think that last time when we used to stay in
Nusa Dua, we was coming here for dinner and buying cola in the shop over here and having lunch over there in the few vlogs. So maybe you can still watch it, but today all is closed.
Okay, so now we will stroll around in Nusa Dua area and then let's see that how it is inside Nusa Dua tourist area.
Tourist area.
And also we will see that how the local life around Nusa Dua.
Alright, so this is the intersection. Over there is the shop where we start. And this intersection over there, if you're gonna go straight, is the Mercure Hotel in Nusa Dua. And this is the small street. Here is also the temple, Desa village temple of Nusa Dua. And this is the small street we're heading into the BTCC complex, where is the resorts and everything. This is like a 200-300 meters long street, and here is so many shopping strolls. As you see, these small buildings, they are for souvenirs shops, stuff like this. But also, if you don't want to dine into a hotel, if you stay in Nusa Dua, or you don't want to go to Bali Collection and dine in, you can walk a little bit more far and you can dine here, because on this street, because it still belongs to Nusa Dua, it's just like a longer walk, but prices and vibe is already much more local, more affordable. So if you're interested, there should be some restaurants around here, probably closed, but still. And here are, like, for example, here is the entrance to the house, local people living behind just the shops. So mostly local people own these shops here around, like this number 4. This is the local Balinese house, and probably he owned this shop here for sell merchandise or I don't know, any other stuff like this. Sayang walking here at the front. Oh, I nearly fall down. Have to be careful, watch how you step. Anyway, here is the one merchandise shop. Probably the lady who is living in this house, she owned this shop, and she's cleaning actually her stuff. Hello. Good, how are you? Cleaning, yeah? Many customers, no? Very quiet. Yeah. I show your beautiful shop, okay? You live here in this house, your house? Oh, very nice. Thank you. So, like I said, the lady's living here and she's just preparing, cleaning her stuff. So sad, not so easy, not so busy. Yeah.
Ibu, Punapi mungkin kira-kira dapat nggak bantuan dari pemerintah? Kan
Nggak tahu lah Bu, kalau bantuan, kalau UMKM-nya belum yang ada. Kalau BSP, misalnya bisnis begini.
Sangat-sangat. Dari Banjar Punapi Bu, ada bantuan kira-kira?
Dari Banjar ada pernah beras, sayur, sama gini bumbu-bumbu.
Mungkin wenten? Nggak, belum ada ya?
Udah pernah, cuman baru cuma sekali.
Selama PPKM ini pernah?
Dua kali ya.
Okay, so I just spoke to the Ibu and then I asked, do you have any help from government or from Banjar? And she said that she got help from the Banjar, and during this PPKM 2 times actually the Banjar give like help like rice, vegetables and everything. So it's really good, yeah. So yeah, I think that the government in Nusa Dua area still supporting the local who own the small business like this. That's good.
Okay, here supposed to be I think the Warung restaurant, and here also the local one. What I said, you could dine if you don't wishing to will in the complex of Nusa Dua, which is already over there, like not so long left. And as the lady said, she gets some support from the local village, so actually quite nice. But that's maybe that's thanks to the, because of in Nusa Dua it's many government workers, right? Things like that.
Yeah, maybe
And they get the money, special budget for that. I don't know.
maybe from the work from Bali last time, so they've got incomes for the hotels around Nusa Dua. So yeah, I think that money already goes to the locals who
Which is-
own the small business.
Which is good to hear.
Yeah.
Which is good to hear. We are heading into the direction of BTCC Nusa Dua.
And this area is just like in Sanur, right? Like
The
Ibu
vibe is-
side, Ibu asked me, Ibu, how is in Sanur then? Is it the same? Yeah, it's pretty the same, just like this.
Yes, obviously some areas of Bali are a little bit more fortunate and a little bit less fortunate. And this is already the big spa. $10 an hour. Look at the sign. I think that's only memory because it's closed now. But yeah. And here German food, Asian food, some warung here and here restaurant. So basically just at the front of the BTCC Nusa Dua, which is already there. You could dine, or here was the supermarket even, but unfortunately everything seems closed
Yeah,
here.
this one also the restaurant.
This one also closed here. Dogo, Tourist
Yeah.
Information Center. That's how it looks like. Oh, here, restaurant. This one actually is open for takeaway, I think. This one. And wood fired. This is actually the same like in the, no, I think the same brand because I just realized the building looks the same, but also it's closed and tropical. We have in Sanur like this one also empty, and we are heading just right now to the BTCC complex of Nusa Dua. Over there, where is the signs and then statue.
And
Here
look
is
at the same sign as BTDC.
oh here is the sign already as Winnie will explain what does it mean because it's in Bahasa Indonesia obviously, and dog already welcoming you sayang. Just be careful.
Do I look like a stewardess or flight attendant who gonna explain you something what's gonna happen? Well, just I think that this is the same notice like at the front. If you are tourist, if you wanna come to BTDC Nusa Dua, you have to show your confirmation, your booking confirmation. If you are the worker, you have to show the ID card. If you are supplier, technician, and contractor, you have to show the letter or the paper. And if you are the you have a meeting, you have to show the invitation. I think that in the previous vlog about when Bali will open, I think that I already explained, but still the same notice, yeah. So now let's go there and see how it is. Seems like some restaurants are open.
Like this Kagura beer corner and everything seems open actually, but only for takeaway. Anyway, it's as you see on the street and everything is well, quiet, right? Polar Flower, of course. And here is another restaurant, Isola, that's the wine I think company, Kenya. Ikan Bakar, also open for takeaway. Open for takeaway deliveries, grab food only. Hello, how are you? Wonderful, wonderful. So the first restaurant. Dogo is now following us since already halfway. That's the.
Okay, so this is the gate.
So this is the gate to the Nusa Dua, as you see. There is the main statue and there is the security sitting here. Obviously, we cannot get inside if we're not gonna go to hotel at least or something. So the only way what I can show you right now is from here. But the beautiful weather will be nice to go. But maybe next few months we will see. And Dogo even don't gonna go there. And here also was some nice restaurant long time ago. I really don't know what's the name, but I was looking pretty nice. Unfortunately, it's very, very abandoned. Very. Following us. Yo, what's up, buddy? Oh. Just enjoy a little bit of sound of silence of Nusa Dua.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today about update around Nusa Dua. That's all our video. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.